On this week's episode, I take you guys up to Oahu's famous Stairway to Heaven hike, but we take the legal route up the Mauna Lua Trail. Over 7 miles up and 2,800 feet of elevation gain, we are met with a remarkable view. Okay, so we're doing a big hike today. I'm here with Tanya, and what's the name of this hike? Is it the Haiku stairs? But we're going the legal way, right?
Yeah.
We're doing the legal way. The longer way, and we're gonna go check it out and see what there is to see. Tanya does like guided hiking tours, right? And so yeah, I'm glad I'm with someone that knows what we're doing, and hopefully she won't kill me with this hike.
Yeah, hopefully I'm not gonna kill you.
I'm old, and we'll see how it goes. We're gonna go slow. So let's check out the beauty of Oahu.
But sometimes it's like so full and so clear. We're gonna go next and there we go. It's gonna be a lot.
And you said the ginger?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh wow, that smells amazing. Awesome. That's where we're going, which seems very far away to me. Okay, we're at the spot where the trail gets serious.
I like to go a little over there too far.
Yeah, just no.
Well, it was a river where we wash our feet after.
So normally this has a lot of water in it. You have to cross over?
Yeah.
Very dry right now. We haven't even seen a lot of mud compared to what I guess it normally is. Whoa, that's crazy.
Where are we staying?
This is my first ever ridge hike. It's intense to see drops on both sides of you. This like 1 foot wide trail. Wow, it's crazy. have to cover in the sun for us right now, but it's not so hot. Oh, the trail. That is so crazy.
It says 12. I don't have.
Yeah, this is
I have small one. Like size 6, 7. So they're pretty dry, but still, it's gonna be.
It's a bit of a traffic jam on the rope right now, so kind of waiting. Almost to the top of the pitch. Clouds blew in. Everything disappeared. It's so crazy. Totally in a cloud. Seems to be moving now. She tells me we're almost at the top. If that's the case, it wasn't a bad hike. It's just a little, it's like 5 miles each way, I guess. Quite a bit of incline. I think it's like 2,800 feet incline, but it was pretty easy. Only kind of a couple strenuous parts, but it's crazy being up here inside a cloud right now. The trail's like a canyon right here. Look how deep it is. It's like dug out from everybody hiking it. It's so deep. Wow, that is so crazy.
You made it.
Made it. So this is the illegal side. If you take this all the way down and pop out, usually there's a copper down there that'll give you a ticket. But we're gonna go back up and hike back out the long way that we came in. But man, it is so crazy. I guess there's 2,988 stairs if you take this way. We're just doing a small section of it. Oh, cool. Yeah? Oh, there's a big machine. Wow.
This is supposed to be.
Whoa. It's starting to clear up a little bit. Go down to that landing?
Yeah.
Yeah, the landing looks like it's Kaneohe. Oh, wow.
You see low part?
Oh,
It's the
wow.
most dangerous part.
To hike across. We called that a saddle. So the clouds blew out, and now you can see a lot more. You can see Pearl Harbor over there. This is H3, right? H3. Beautiful view of the sandbar. Oh man, the light looks pretty over here. Gorgeous, wow. Stoked. Now we're gonna hike back up and start our trek back down to the car. And super stoked to get to do this kind of legendary hike. And I'm glad it blew over so I could see the views too. It's like so pretty up here. So pretty. Tree is so weird. This tree is so weird. Did it, and I didn't die. It was pretty easy. I mean, my legs are kind of springy, but it was easier than I thought it was going to be. Now we just gotta get back to the car and find some Gatorade.